Hello, my African brothers and sisters. Are you looking for a smart way to earn money online without needing expensive equipment or editing skills? Well, today is your lucky day. I'm going to show you how to use InVideo.ai, a powerful AI tool that turns your ideas into professional videos using your own voice. As we say in Africa, wisdom is like a baobab tree. No one individual can embrace it. So let's explore this opportunity together. InVideo.ai is an online platform that allows you to create high quality videos using artificial intelligence. You simply type in your idea and the AI generates a full video complete with visuals, music, subtitles, and even your clone voice. Yes, your voice. You don't need to be a video editor or a tech guru. It's fast, easy, and free to start. Let's look at some real examples. A young man in Ghana started a faceless YouTube channel using InVideo.ai. He posts 3 videos a week and earns over 500 monthly. A woman in Kenya uses InVideo to create affiliate marketing videos. In just 5 months, she's made over 80. Globally, InVideo has helped creators generate millions in revenue. As the proverb goes, the child who is not taught will not know the way. These people took the first step, and so can you. Step 1. Go to InVideo.ai and sign up for a free account using your email address. The process is quick and easy. Step 2. Once logged in, type your video idea or script into the prompt box. You can write about any topic you want to share. Step 3. Choose your visuals and select your voice. You can use your own voice or pick from the available AI voices. Step 4. Click Generate Video. In a few moments, your professional video will be ready to preview and download. Share it online and start earning.